Yes, Frederick's asking about the authority site template. I did say I'd show you that one. Don't really know why I saved that. I'm going to have to set that up again now. Silly boy. Never mind. So for this, we're going to create a new funnel. Search for authority. So yeah, so we have here our authority website funnel. We'll put you on neil.convertri.com. We'll hit create. So this is an authority site template based around basically a simple site and a few that contains a few articles. So if we have a look at our homepage, like this one is basically based around having a book to sell, but obviously you can adapt it however you want. The templates are all built in Convertri, so you can shift them around. You can you can do what you want with them, just as if you'd built the page. So we have a homepage that comes with an about page and some article pages. There's also a sales page for the thing you're trying to sell. And an article page that you can use to to have the articles that you will use to build your authority, or for SEO, if that's your preference. And they will come with a link to your sign up page at the bottom.